Then we come to question number 34. Question number 34 is the sum of the length of a rectangle and the side of the square is 72 meter. If the perimeter of the rectangle is 84 meter and the breadth of the rectangle is 18 meter, then find the measurement of all the sides of the square. We must do this problem by first you have to draw this picture. If you unable to draw the picture, then you cannot solve the problem easily. We have to draw the problem picture by rectangle and square. The data given, the breadth of the rectangle is 18 meter and side of the square is nothing. We have to calculate the side of the square and length of the rectangle. We assume length of the rectangle as L and side of the square is x. Therefore L plus x equals to 12. Perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2 into 18 plus L. Therefore we 36 plus 12 equals to 84. L length become 24 meter. Therefore length of rectangle is equals to 24 meter. We put the value L equals to 24 meter in equation 1. We get 24 plus x equals to 72. X1 x equals to 48 meter. Therefore measurement of side of square is 48 meter. We get the measurement of side of square is 48 meter. Then we come to problem 35. Many students unable to solve this type of problem. Must remember this problem is too much critical. We have to practice it more. The ratio of time taken by A, B and C to complete work alone is 4 is to 6 is to 3 respectively. If all three together complete the work in 8 days, then find in how many days A alone complete 3/4 of the same work. Solution: completing time A equals to B equals to C equals to 4 is to 6 is to 3. Assuming A completed work in 4x days, B completed work in 6x days, C completed work in 3x days. Therefore, in one day A completed 1 by 4x portion of work. In one day B completed 1 by 6x portion of work. In one day C completed 1 by 3x portion of work. Therefore total contribution is 1 by 4x plus 1 by 6x plus 1 by 3x portion of work in one day. Therefore 8 days contribution is equals to 8 into 1 plus 1 by 4x plus 1 by 6x plus 1 by 3x equals to 1 as fully completed. By solving we get x equals to 6. Therefore A completed work in 4 into 4x equals to 4 into 6 equals to 24 days. Therefore A alone completed 3/4 of work in 3 by 4 into 24 equals to 18 days. Therefore we get the answer is 18 days. Then come to question number 36. Here we have to find there is any relation between x and y. We must solve this problem by putting x equals to 0.5 into 1 and y equals to 1 and 1.5. We get x equals to 0.5 into 1, y equals to 1.1.5. You must putting them and ascending order to get the problem solved easily. Okay, uh, then you do this problem by that. If there is any relation or x equals to y, or there is any relation between x and y, in 36 x must be less than equals to y, because y is 1 and 1.5 and x is only 0.5 and 1. In 37 there is also x equals to minus 11 and minus 10, y equals to minus 9 minus 8. Therefore x must be less than y. In 38 x equals to minus 2 plus 2, y equals to plus 2 plus 4. Therefore x less than equal to y. In problem 39 x equals to minus 11 to y equals to minus 2 1.5. Here the relation cannot be established as y value is between x, y value is between x values. Matlab, this means x range is greater than y and y range is much more less than x. So must see the relationship cannot be established. Must remember the problem of 39. Many students many students do wrong on this problem in 40. Therefore x equals to what, you can easily see that in the problem 41, the population of a village is decreased by 10% in the first year and then increased by 20% in the second year. Find the population of the village at the end of the second year if second year ago it was 15,000. Must remember the problem showing that if 2 years ago it was 15,000. Therefore, by 1 year it is decreased by 10% in first year and then increased by 20% in the second year. Must remember the population of the village is decreased by 10% in the first year and then increased by 20% in the second year. Therefore, first year population is 15,000. After first year population is decreased by 10%, the population become 15,000 into 90 divided by 100 equals to 13,500. After second year the population increased by 20%, so after second year population will become 13,500 into 120% equals to 16,200. We must do the answer 16,200. Uh, Question number 43. The downstream the downstream speed of a boat is 5 km per hour more than its upstream speed, and the ratio of the speed of the boat is still water to the speed of the stream is 19 equals to 5. Find the total initial time taken by travel 52 km downstream and 31.5 km upstream. Must remember 3 points about the problem. If we assume x equals to boat speed in still water means there is no disturbance created by water. This is still water. This is the exact speed of the boat that is happened. It is just exact speed of the boat that is happened. And y equals to stream speed. Y equals to stream speed. This is not include both speed, just only stream speed. How much speed stream flows? We must remember 3 points to solve this type of problem easily. I elaborate here the problems too much, as those students who cannot understand it properly must do the problem in examination. We have to remember 3 points too much. We have to assume we have as if we have assumed as x as boat speed in still water, y equals to stream speed. You must understood first what is the still water boat speed and what is the stream speed. Always x greater than y, always boat speed will be higher than stream speed, so the boat can move against the stream. Always x equals to y, or x greater than y, sorry, x greater than y. Upstream speed must be x minus y. Therefore, in upstream's case, boat speed uh, boat speed get boat speed get decreased by stream speed. If flow is it flow it swim against the stream, so upstream speed must be reduced x minus y. And downstream speed, when the boat flow along the flow of river, then downstream speed will be x plus y. Downstream speed equals to 5 plus upstream speed. Therefore x plus y equals to 5 plus x minus y. X plus y equals to 5 plus x minus 1. Therefore 2y equals to 5, y equals to 2.5. Therefore stream speed is equal to 2.5 km per hour. Speed of the boat in still water is x and speed of the stream is y. Therefore, as per question given, boat speed equals to boat speed ratio of stream speed equals to 19 is to 5. So x is to 2.5 equals to 19 is to 5. X equals to 9.5 km per hour. Therefore, the boat speed in still water is 9.5 km per hour, and the speed of stream is 2.5 km per hour. That total foot time equals to 42 km divided by downstream speed is plus 31.5 km plus upstream speed. Therefore 42 km divided by 9.5 into 2.5 plus 2.5 plus 31.5 divided by 9.5 minus 2.5 equals to 8 hours. Therefore total time taken is equals to 8 hours. It is the answer. Then we come to question number 44. Question number 44. A container contains a mixture of two liquids P and Q in the ratio of 5 is to 3. If 16 liter of the mixture is taken out and replaced with liquid Q, then the new ratio of liquid P to liquid Q becomes 1 is to 1. Find the initial quantity of mixture in the container. P equals to Q equals to 5 is to 3. Assuming P equals to 5x and Q equals to 3x. If 16 liter taken out at that amount of P equals to 5 by 8 into 16 equals to 10 liter. Q equals to 3 by 8 into 16 equals to 6 liter. New ratio P is to Q equals to 5s minus 10 equals to 3s minus 6 plus 16. As therefore we get the result x equals to 10. Initial quantity is 5s plus 3s equals to 80 liter. We put 16 liter from total, so amount of P and Q we have to calculate in between that. 45. The ratio of the present ages of A and B is 8 equals to 5, and the average of the present age of B and C is 35 years. If 5 years ago the sum of ages of A and B is 55 years, then find the difference between present age of A and C. Present age ratio A equals to B equals to 8 is to 5. Present age of A, we have 8 years. Present age of B equals to 5 years. Present age of C equals to Y. 5 years ago age of A 8 years minus 5. Age of B 5 years minus 5. Sum is equal to 8 years minus 5 plus 5 years minus 5 equals to 13 years minus 10 equals to 55. Therefore x equals to 5. Therefore present age of age A is 40 and present age of B is 25. Average of present of B and C is 25 plus y divided by 2 equals to 35. Therefore present age of C is equal to 45 years. Present age of A is 40 years. Present age of C is 45 years. Difference between age is 45 and 40 equals to 5 years. If you found this is truthful, you must subscribe my channel and so that I get motivation to make more videos. Thank you.